Yo, what's up, guys? It's Luve here. Today, I'm going to do a bit of a day in the life for you. So, I'm gonna show you what I do in a typical day in my life. It's Monday, the September 2nd. So, yeah, now it's 5:45 a.m. I woke up at 5:30 because I'm gonna head to the gym, and my goal is actually to be there at 6, and I hope I'm gonna be there by then. Um, but yeah, so what I'm gonna do today is I'm just going to show you guys what I do, and I'm going to show you all my schedule because I schedule my days in advance. I'm gonna drink a lot of coffee, and I'll see you guys at the gym. So yeah, I'm back from the gym. It's 7:15. I hit some push, so chest, triceps, and shoulders. It was a good session. I'm sorry if I didn't film anything in the gym, but actually, like, I was there at 6 and it was fucking crowded as but yeah, so it's 7:15. According to my schedule, I'm gonna start working at 8. So before that, I need to shower, get ready, and make some breakfast. And I'm going to see you when I get back, and I'm gonna start actually doing the important and fun stuff for the day, which is the work. It's exactly 8 a.m. and I've had my breakfast. I made a protein shake, and it was delicious, and I showered. But now it's 8 a.m. I'm ready, and I'm gonna go start my work for the day. So yeah. So today I'm actually going to start working on my software that I'm developing. I can't go into too much detail, but it's really complex. I'm doing some machine learning for this, so I'm basically developing my own AI, and it's going to be like a B2B SaaS, which that I'm really exciting about. Just a hint, it's very close to what we do as an agency. So we sell automations that we like tailor made to our clients that we're working with. But for this software, the idea is that this is going to do something very similar to this. But yeah, so I'm gonna work until 11 a.m. and then I'm gonna get some lunch and walk my dog, and then I actually have school. But yeah, so I go to like the Swedish equivalent of high school, and our schedule is very, very different, so to say. So today I start at 12, which is crazy, and I end at 4. But like on Thursdays, I have the like standard, like we start at 8 and finish like 3:30. So yeah, it varies a lot. But yeah, so I can actually show you all my schedule. So here is my schedule. I don't know if you guys can see. I'm sorry if this is in Swedish and you don't understand shit, but as you can see here, I wake up 5:30 today, and this is Monday. So yeah, I had gym, breakfast. Now I'm gonna have my software, school, some studying. Then I'm go to my girlfriend, and then I'll go to bed. So yeah, that's about it for this day. So that's what I'm gonna be doing, and I will see you guys once I'm starting working. It's 9:30, and I just wanted to give you guys some quick updates on where I'm at the business. I started my own agency in April, and now it's September the 2nd, as I said earlier. And I have been getting a few clients, like not really that much, but yeah, so I've made a bit of money. Like, I wouldn't say a lot, honestly. But since starting, like, my main focus has actually been to like perfect my craft. So I've built a ton of like solutions. I've built more solutions than I guess like the average Joe, or well, obviously, but the average Joe who's a bot builder and AI developer and all of that stuff. But more recently, I've came to the realization that we want to shift away from the pre-made and no-code solutions and shift more towards the side of custom solutions, because in reality, like, can we really trust softwares like Make and Botpress? So me at least, I feel quite scared, like knowing something can go wrong with these softwares that I can't control myself. And that's why I want to do code, because code code's it. Like, I've been trying to learn how to code for like almost a year and a half now, and it's been great. Like, I wouldn't say that I'm a professional coder. I want to more consider myself a entrepreneur that like hires developers and stuff, but I'd say that I'm an intermediate coder. Like, my front end stuff, like, don't hire me for that. Like, I suck at front end. Like, my design skills are way worse than, like, literally, you can ask some random homeless guy on the street he were to if he could do a front end job, and he would do it better than me probably. So yeah, I'm stuck at that. I want to shift more from this no code things to the custom coded solutions, and that's where I feel that we have the most gain. I have 1 hour and 1.5 hour more to work, and yeah, I will see you guys later. Natural lighting, by the way. You gotta love it. So I just finished working. I'm here with my dog, and I'm gonna make some quick lunch for me. It's the like most Swedish dish ever. Fucking meatballs with mashed potatoes. But yeah, so this is gonna be lit. I think 3 hours worth of work, like, yeah, non-stop focused work, which is actually quite good. So yeah, what's rest for the day? I'll have lunch now. Then I walk my dog, and as I said, I start school at 12, so I'm gonna head there. But no, so today's super chill day. So I just have like 15 minutes of maths, and then like we can choose like one subject per week. So I chose team sports, so yeah, 3 hours of football. Yeah, team sports for you. So I have football for a few hours, and yeah, then I'll get home. I'm gonna have some juice, like I'm getting maths. Yeah. Yo, so I just got home from school. It's 3:30, about that, and yeah, we were supposed to end at 4, but we had football today, so yeah, we ended a bit earlier, which is good. So yeah, I arrived home like maybe 10-15 minutes ago. I just like greeted my dog, obviously, because yeah, if you know, he's a black lab, so yeah, if you know, you know. Yeah, we usually call him Singo Stålsvans, which is because Singo is his name, and Stålsvans essentially means iron tail. Yeah, so what I'm gonna do now is make a snack, like a meal, a quick snack, and then I'm gonna shower, and after that we're gonna hop on the grind, and yeah, we're good to go. And if you haven't already, like the video. Yeah, like, please. So yeah, I just finished my maths. It's quite late now. I'm just going to take the rest of the day really to just relax. To summarize the day, I did a few hours, 3 hours of work after the gym. So gym, work, school, which also was a bit of exercise since we played football, and now I did some studying as well. So yeah, a very productive day. I stuck to my schedule, which is good. And tomorrow I'm just going to do the same things over again. But yeah, so now I'm just gonna chill, relax, and enjoy. So I've been really like delved into my work, and like the past week, I've just been feeling so tired. Maybe it's because of my new schedule, but like even if I sleep, I kid you not, even if I were to sleep like 9 hours a night, then I would still feel so exhausted. Like a few days ago, it felt like I couldn't even work just because I was so goddamn tired. Like I was literally like in my sofa. I didn't do shit. I knew I was supposed to work and I always do work, but it was so difficult because I was so tired and I couldn't focus at all. But anyways, yeah, I'll take some moments off and yeah, I'll see you guys soon.